Hello and welcome! In this video you will learn how to become more likable. This is such an important key skill that can help you in both your business and your personal life to allow you to become a stronger master communicator. Make sure to check out the previous video here or in the description below, and I'll see you in a moment. To become a likable person, there are at least 5 key things that you should do. Key point number 1, smile. Do you see the difference? In the first clip, how did it make you feel? I'm sure you thought something along the lines of, why is he looking angry at me? And in the second clip, you're like, oh, he's smiling and seems like he's having a good day. Now ask yourself this. Do you want to be around the person who is angry or smiling? Yes, indeed, smiling, of course. This is one of the most important key points that you can implement to become a more likable person. Rarely anyone wants to be around a person that is looking angry, frustrated, or annoyed, or show any other negative emotion. Key point number 2, compliment them. When you walk up to the person, whether it be meeting a client the first time or walking up to your friends, give them a compliment. Whether it be about something physical like, hey, you got a nice watch, or something you admire about them. Imagine if someone walks up to you. What type of compliment would you want to get? Now this is how you can make sure that the person you meet sees you as a likable person. Key point number 3, look for a common interest. If you look for a common interest, it'll be easier for the person you're speaking to like you. Because any common interest they have with you creates a bond between you both. What does that common interest do? It creates a bond. This invisible connection makes you a more likable person. Now on to key point number 4. Use their name. After you've established your common interests, ask them their name. At this point, you have built a basic foundation that will allow you to attach their name to whatever common interest you have. For example, Sophie, tennis, Jacob, acting, even simple common interests like Amelia, French. Now throughout the rest of the conversation, it'll be easier to remember their name. But make sure you use it. If you think about it, your name defines you. So the more you use their name, the better. Like, for example, hey Sophie, how would you think people would communicate in a perfect world? I would suggest that after you have completed your conversation with them, that you put their names in your phone contacts or notes with whatever common interest you have with them and where you met them. So that the next time you meet them and you forgot their name in your already crowded brain, you can reconnect with them with your common interest and the place you met them. That will help you to reconnect as a likable person. And this helps us to build us up to key point number 5. Being honest. This is one key trait that is so important that it gets often overlooked. If you notice the person you're speaking to isn't being honest, they immediately go into your do not like category. In other words, the trash can. This is why, if you're speaking with them because you want to get a job from them, or get a number from them, whether it be for your business or your personal life. Be honest throughout the conversation you're having. When you're giving them compliments or when you're looking for a common interest. And once you have done that, you can say, you know, I'm having such a great time talking with you. I'd like to ask you for a favor. Could you do me a favor, Sophie? This is the moment when, if you have established the previous key points with the person you're speaking to, they will be more likely to help you. Because in their mind, you have been categorized as a likable person. If you do all of these 5 key points, I can assure you that you will be a more likable person, whether it be with your client, your coworker, boss, or even with your family, friends, or partner. You have now learned the 5 key points that will help you to build a stronger bond with each person you communicate with, and are now a step closer to what you need to know to become a master communicator. Thank you for watching. Make sure to share this video with anyone who can benefit from this. Like, subscribe, click the notification bell button, and I will see you in the next video. Just a quick reminder, I have set a challenge for myself, and that is to make 30 videos for the next 30 days. This was day 5, video 5. Now smash that like button down below, and I thank you for your support.